Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're on the 6th chapter. Hatred leads to serious transgressions. I hope everybody had an amazing Shabbat. Alright, let's continue. Rabbi Akiva says that one who hates his wife is likened to a murderer. For it says, he hates her and he fabricates charges against her. The Gemara there explains, one who hates his wife may eventually hire false witnesses to testify that she committed adultery, a sin that warrants the death penalty. And in Tractate Makos 9b, it says, one who hates his fellow and inadvertently kills him is not exiled to a sanctuary city. One who unintentionally kills another person must go into exile. However, the Gemara states, if the person he killed was his enemy, then there is a valid suspicion that it wasn't truly an inadvertent killing, so he is not granted the reprieve of exile. What is the halachic definition of an enemy? The Gemara Sanhedrin Daf 27b says that it refers to someone who, out of anger or hatred, hasn't spoken to his friend for 3 days. The Chavetz Chaim points out that this is very common. People often enter into minor arguments and aren't on speaking terms, although they are not actually fighting or speaking maliciously about each other. They are simply avoiding each other. Nonetheless, the Torah considers this an enemy. Additionally, he writes, someone who isn't on speaking terms with another is transgressing the prohibitive commandment, do not hate your brother in your heart every single second. And with that, we just finished chapter 6. It's good to keep in mind that sometimes this seems very harsh and seems like a really high level, which it is, to be this loving of a fellow Jew. But the fact that you're learning this and the fact that you're taking things slow, and just know that you're on the right path and continue learning and just take things slowly, and we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you.